Hello my dear friends, welcome to my crochet training channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful crochet pattern that is very easy to knit and at the same time a special. Imagine blankets, shawls and scarves that's made with this pattern. To weave this piece, you see I made 42 chains, which is about 22 centimeters, as you see. To make a baby blanket, we need 160 chains to even 18 centimeters baby blanket. Now I'm gonna to start the tutorial by weaving a small piece for you. Let's go. Make a slip knot like this and start chaining 4 chain plus 4 chain and again 4 chain until we reach the desired size, like 18 centimeters. Now I have 16 chains. I used to make 2 chains here and I start making single crochets, 1 and 2 chains, and I start to make a single crochet. Skip 1 chain and start making the single crochet one by one. Continue the single crochets to the end of the row, like this. You see? Chain 1, turn the work over, and make single crochets the whole row again, one by one. Now we have 2 rows of single crochets and we do the same thing again. 1 chain and single crochets. Totally we need 3 rows of single crochets. One, two, three. Chain 1, turn over, make 2 single crochets, and now I'm gonna make a triple crochet. So yarn over 2 times and start counting the stitches of the 2 rows previous. 1, 2, 3. Make a flip triple crochet here. One, 2, 3. Making triple crochet in 3 times. Now skip 1 stitch and make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Now count stitches again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 3 stitches and make flip triple crochet and 4th stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4th. Flip triple crochet. Take thread and make triple crochet. Now again skip 1 and make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Make triple crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert a hook. Take thread and make triple crochet. Repeat until the end of the row. At the end of the row we have 3 stitches, so skip 1 and make 2 single crochets. Now chain 1 and make single crochets for the next row, all single crochets. Chain 1, turn over, make 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Now I'm gonna make triple crochet. Here, you see this stitch under the triple crochet of the previous row. You can see we have 3 stitches. Leave them and make your triple crochet here. This one. Make flip triple crochet. 1 time, 2 time, and 3 time. Now skip 1 stitch and make 3 single crochets, and then make triple crochets again. Here. Repeat these steps until the end of the row. Skip 1, 3 single crochets, and make flip triple crochet. Skip 1, 2 single crochet at the end of the row, like this. These same 2 rows are repeated until the blanket reaches to desired size. Next row is single crochets. And repeat. Repeat the steps until your blanket will be complete. I hope you like this pattern and use it. Please comment your opinion about this video. Thank you, I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for supporting me.